AI is evolving fast. Are you ready? Meet AI at Flightbase, your weekly hub to learn, upskill, and stay ahead in AI world. Let's dive into today's session.
During today's session, what I'm going to tell you is how we at Flightbase are improving our customer conversations, and like we use a couple of tools here and there for researching about customers, figuring out their probable pain points, and then having better initial discovery calls, or even let's say SaaS company है, नया feature आया है, how do we actually help with the adoption of that feature for the customer? So not like this is the new feature, I want you to use it, but this is the new feature, this is how we feel you can use it, and this is what we feel are your problems, and then we take that conversation forward so the customer also feels कि हाँ ये feature बहुत अच्छा है, and then I can start using it. So right, so the problem that we are trying to solve is context overload and how we can prepare for these conversations at scale. If we don't do it, there's a lot of things which, like what this costs us, it's actually not money, but credibility with customers. If you're dealing with enterprise level clients, they expect you to have some basic knowledge or even a deeper level of knowledge about their industry. Cognitive load इतना बढ़ जाता है कि GTM roles, we're already a lot of neck deep into technical work, business related work, and last minute prep like pushes all the demos or conversations into something safe and generic, and the customer or neither you are able to derive value out of that entire conversation. You also lose a lot of signals. Buying intent है क्या, competitor के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं क्या, what is their sales cycle like, etc. Right, and obviously there's a lot of demo fatigue, so too many features, not enough relevance, customers disengage. How many people over here have like given demos to customers and actually felt during the demo मैं तो बोले जा रहा हूँ सब कुछ, but ये resonate नहीं कर रहा है. हुआ है सबके, किसी के साथ हुआ है पहले? All right, so that's one part. The other part is like I'll show you a couple of hacks that I use personally to hire for my team, and I'm using AI for that as well. So the orthodox process is that during the interviews I give them some customer scenarios because we are the customer facing team, and थोड़ा role play type of situation होता है, but वो इतना actual नहीं बना पाता. So what I've done is I've built a custom GPT that actually behaves like a customer, and it like gives different scenarios. So like crisis management, right? Drone crash हो गया, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. The moment you give a bad response, it's going to escalate. The moment you don't, like if you're not talking to the AI properly, that customer is going to keep escalating, it's going to put you under a lot of pressure, and through that you are able to gauge, okay, is this person good for a customer facing role? Do they have the right soft skills? Do they have the right hard skills as well? So that is something that we'll cover here as well. Okay, so during today's demo, I won't show a lot of fancy tools. I basically use GPT, Google Flows, if you've heard of them, and the like important thing is that वो mindset shift. Like even if you use basic tools, how can you actually use them to figure out and have that shift in driving better customer conversations? So when I use this, I can clearly see कि AI absorb कर लेता है massive context. And helps me prepare for those calls. I can give it technical documentations. It's able to like draw parallels and connect the dots and fill in the gaps. I personally then apply judgment because I work with a lot of customers, तो मुझे पता है किसके लिए क्या चलेगा, किसके लिए क्या नहीं चलेगा. तो वो human oversight obviously रहता है, and you don't do a lot of grunt work, you do actual soft skills वाला काम and judgment वाला काम. And if you combine both of these, I am sure you are going to have better conversations. How this works in practice. So usually what I do, and maybe I'll definitely show this to you during a demo. So last week I had a customer call where we have a big customer, and there's a new feature our product team believes that they can get started with, and obviously it's a massive sales opportunity as well. So what I did, I have a customer project already where everything about the customer is stored, like कौन stakeholder है, कौन से use cases ये लोग मतलब में है, क्या इनकी इंडस्ट्री है, and then I have a prompt, I give it to that project and tell it, this is the new feature, I have a demo with the customer, build a hypothesis on how this customer could probably use these features. एंड वो फिर पूरा डीप रिसर्च करता है कि बेस्ड ऑन देयर इंडस्ट्री, देयर यूज केस, देयर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, these are the top 5 problems that they might be facing. And again, these are all assumptions which in my experience I've done it like a couple of times are 70 to 80% correct. And you go on the call and tell them ki boss, this is a new feature, we know that this is what you do, and this is our hypothesis कि आप इसको ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो, एंड देन दे कीप एडिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट. सो द कॉन्वर्सेशंस आर लाइक वेरी पर्सनलाइज्ड, द कस्टमर्स रेजोनेट विद इट, यू आर ऑल्सो एबल टू फिगर आउट कि अच्छा नहीं, ये हाइपोथेसिस गलत था, इसके ऊपर 3 और है, राइट. एंड देन फिर वो फीचर का अडॉप्शन भी स्लोली एंड स्टेडली हो जाता है. So you can, like I said, you can have created demos, and realistic simulation is for the hiring part. Right. So the CTA is AI is not making us better speakers; it's just preparing ourselves to have better conversations with customers. You get confidence in a way. आप खुद confident हो to have that conversation with the customer. The customer also feels very resonated and feels confident. Having said that, I will start a quick demo. So they need it for the recording. This is not online, but we'll have a session for it. Okay, so new lead. Let's start with the first thing. I will show you 3 different things today. पहले नया लीड आता है, उस पर एक लेवल का रिसर्च कैसे कर रहे हैं जिससे 70-80% आपका ग्रंट वर्क हो जाए एंड आप इनिशियल डिस्कवरी कॉल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. दैट्स वन. द सेकेंड इज इफ देयर इज अ न्यू फीचर, हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट डेमो. And the third is how it helps us in hiring and team training as well. ठीक है. So you can see that I received like a website से lead आया and they're telling us कि this is the company that we work in and this is the exact message which helps me identify कि इनका sentiment और intent ballpark क्या होने वाला है. And again like persona क्या है, enterprise drone user है and everything. For this what I did was I'll just quickly show you here. This is a new thing. Has anybody tried Google Workspace Studio? Okay, so it's like NA10 or Zapier. It's just that Gemini बनाता है आपको पूरा. Gemini में you can just give it a prompt, and this took me less than 15 minutes to build. What it does is it does an initial research on all the emails I receive for the website lead. So you can see when I receive an email has the words this, I need to extract the company name, lead name, business model, website, message क्या है, and then I've curated a prompt over here. We can just go through the prompt for everyone's context. You are a senior business intelligence analyst specializing in Flightbase, and this is something that you can curate. After the session, I'll also give you a prompt guide that you can use and you can curate it for your own company. But इसको पूरा रोल दिया है, उसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया है कि फ्लाइट बेस क्या करता है, हम मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स इंडस्ट्री में क्या सॉल्व करते हैं, हमारे कोर वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशंस क्या हैं. सो दिस कुड बी एनीथिंग लाइक आप व्हाट आर योर प्रोडक्ट्स यूएसपीज, राइट, यू कैन ऑल पुट दैट इन. टारगेट इंडस्ट्रीज क्या हैं, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस, लीड इनपुट फॉर्मेट. दिस इज समथिंग दैट गूगल वर्कस्पेस डिड इटसेल्फ. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू कि एनालाइज करो कि ये लीड एंटरप्राइज यूज़र है, पब्लिक सेफ्टी में है, मिड मार्केट हो सकता है, या आईसीपी ही नहीं है. कई बार रैंडम लीड्स भी आती है जो मे बी देयर जस्ट लाइक विंडो शॉपिंग और समथिंग, एंड यू वुड नॉट वांट टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद देम एज कम्पेयर टू एन एंटरप्राइज डील दैट कैन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर यू. एंड अगेन व्हाट इट डज इज कंपनी पे रिसर्च करेगा, उनका एनुअल रेवेन्यू क्या है, एम्प्लॉय काउंट क्या है, व्हाट इज देयर बिजनेस मॉडल, any recent news or expansion opportunities, challenges, do they already use drones, do they already use docking stations. That is something that our customers do. waivers है, regulatory authority है कि नहीं है. So पूरा research करके देता है ये मेरे को, and in the end I tell it कि मेरे को बता कि भाई ये lead qualified है कि नहीं है, कितनी बड़ी lead है, इनके साथ क्या काम करना चाहिए, क्या इनके probable pain points हो सकते हैं. It also drafts me and gives me a first level email for them, which I just copy and paste it, and I'll show it to you as well.
This whole thing is one prompt?
Yeah, this whole thing is one prompt.
What are these keywords that you use, stars and hashes?
So basically, I'll quickly show you.
Specific keywords?
So basically this is
Prompt, it's a markdown file.
right.
Okay.
So this prompt is in Markdown. एंड लाइक आई शेयर सम बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस, लाइक एक बेस प्रॉम्प्ट का गाइड है जो मैं यूज़ करता हूँ, एंड दैट गिव्स मी, आई जस्ट टेल इट यूज दिस प्रॉम्प्ट गाइड एंड आई वांट टू डू दिस, सो इट क्रिएट्स अ प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर मी एंड इट्स बीन वर्किंग रियली वेल फॉर मी.
So do you use any prompt library?
Sorry.
Do you use any prompt library in the inside the company, not just here in the Flightbase?
So I think everyone, हर टीम का कुछ ना कुछ तो है. I have my own prompt library. No, not paid. We do all the prompting ourselves. Because I think it may take you some time to build those prompts, but उसमें थोड़ा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो आगे का टाइम बहुत ईजी हो जाता है और कम हो जाता है. So what I'll do is I'll show you exactly क्या research किया है इसने, just so that, and maybe like people from sales, marketing, you can just see if and tell me कि अगर आपको अपने लीड के बारे में ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा तो would that be helpful or not. So right, उसने पहले ही क्लासीफाई कर दिया बिकॉज आई टोल्ड इट इन द प्रॉम्प्ट, हाई प्रायोरिटी एंटरप्राइज स्केल अपॉर्चुनिटी है, पब्लिक सेक्टर में काम करते हैं, बेस्ड ऑन देयर ईमेल दे हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू एंड द प्रॉस्पेक्ट इज द नेम दैट वी सॉ, की टेक्निकल चैम्पियन है, मेन इशू इनका है डेटा सिक्योरिटी, यूरोपियन कंपनी, काफ़ी सारे कंपनीज का डेटा सिक्योरिटी होता है, कंपनी इंटेलिजेंस, बॉल पार्क रेवेन्यू, क्या ग्रोथ है, रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स क्या हुए हैं इन लोगों के, तो दिस हेल्प्स मी आइडेंटिफाई इज ड्रोन्स अ प्रायोरिटी फॉर देम, और विद इन द कंपनी सिक्योरिटी प्रायोरिटी है तो सिक्योरिटी में ड्रोन्स ऐड इन हो सकते हैं. सो देन आई एम एबल टू कनेक्ट द डॉट्स एज वेल. दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द metrics for me. This is one of the biggest drone operators in Norway. So मतलब this is gold for us. We do work with people in Norway. They're also big companies. But when I got to know कि ये company है, they're probably bigger, then I was like, okay, now this is something that we need to deal with carefully. Competitive position पूरा बताएगा. What is their digital intelligence and technology signals. तो पूरा recent activities, tech stack क्या है, कौन से drones वगैरह वो already use करते हैं. दिस हेल्प्स मी अंडरस्टैंड कि एक लेवल का इंक्वायरी इसने बोला, मैं इधर से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता हूँ कि पॉसिबल अपसेल्स इनको आगे जाके क्या कर सकते हैं. दे यूज़ अ कपल ऑफ अदर ड्रोन्स एंड दे हैव डिफरेंट यूज केसेस. रीसेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो आई नो दैट आवर प्रोडक्ट इज एबल टू वर्क विद 4G networks. So if they have their own 4G infra, I can integrate with that and create more product stickiness. And all of this information I'm going to use during the initial discovery call. Use cases क्या है? So again, like I said, initial discovery call, you go on the call and you ask the customer, okay, what do you do? आपके पास तो एक 4-liner बस हुआ है ना इनबाउंड कि 3 DJI डॉक है, डेटा सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है, हम ऑल्टरनेट्स ढूंढ रहे हैं. और उसके बाद यू नो कि दिस इज द दे आर इनटू जियो हैजार्ड मॉनिटरिंग. ऑल्दो द कंपनी इज अ ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, द पर्सन हु रीच्ड आउट टू अस, ही इज अ जियोलॉजिस्ट. So that level of research the company like AI is able to do and tell you कि इनके probable use cases ये है. And वो कॉल पे जाके मैंने validate करा लिया कि when you ask them कि this is what we know about you and they're like yes, this is what we do exactly. Again operational context क्या है, flight base के लिए क्या opportunity है, तो वो clearly बता रहा है कि data security है, slow cost, dangerous manual, geohazard inspections in steep terrain. नॉर्वे पूरे पहाड़, स्टीप टेरेन है, उसने मैसेज में भी बोला था आई थिंक, बट दैट इज समथिंग वी वर एबल टू फिगर आउट. एंड दे आर मोस्टली डूइंग एवलांच मॉनिटरिंग, सो ऑब्वियसली हाई स्टेक्स, lives are at stakes as well, so very like a tough job that they do. Then it's telling me ICP fit है कि नहीं, तो वो clearly बोल रहे कि enterprise fit है, tier 1 है, scale के signals already they have 3 DJI docs. Like for us ICP is ड्रोन्स वगैरह यूज़ ही नहीं करता है, सबसे लो, थोड़ा बहुत यूज़ कर, सिर्फ ड्रोन्स यूज़ करता है, डॉकिंग स्टेशन यूज़ करता है, मल्टीपल डॉकिंग स्टेशन यूज़ करता है, तो एकदम टॉप हाई प्रायोरिटी हिट लिस्ट. एंड देन इट्स डन लाइक अ वेरी थरो रिसर्च ऑन द स्टेक होल्डर एज वेल. सो जियोलॉजिस्ट है, कहाँ कहाँ पढ़ाई की है. सो व्हेन आई गो ऑन द कॉल आई नो कि मैं किसी टेक्निकल बंदे से बात कर रहा हूँ जो जियोलॉजिस्ट है, तो मेरा कॉन्वर्सेशन भी उसके हिसाब से ही होना चाहिए. मैं रैंडमली ब्लैबर नहीं कर सकता कुछ भी कॉल पे. सो अगेन स्टेक होल्डर इकोसिस्टम पूरा बता दिया, अर्जेंसी ड्राइवर्स क्या हो सकते हैं, बिजनेस केस फ्रेमवर्क क्या होगा, प्रूफ पॉइंट्स. एंड देन द फर्स्ट ईमेल, आई experimented with it a bit. This was although not the email that I sent. I'll show you which one I sent. But okay, I sent this email. इससे ही आया था पूरा. But there is one specific thing here that I wrote and which is something that the AI picked here as well. I'll show you this one, this line. And this, I told them कि this is one, again human judgment. उसने पूरा काम कर दिया, मैंने बस 5 मिनट लिए, ईमेल को थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया कि एक और कस्टमर है जिसके साथ हम काम करते हैं, and this thing, and this is what like really moved them, because when I went on the initial discovery call, the customer was like, I don't know how you know about it, but yes, our first docking station is deployed at this location. So that is the level of hyper personalization that you can achieve with an enterprise client like this, so that they immediately start resonating with you. उसको email में ही समझ आ गया bro, they know their shit, like they know what we do, they know what our deployments are, so they are able to like have that trust instantly. So पहले email से ही वो trust build हो गया, call पे जाके फिर I use this as a base document, I put it in my customer का GPT project, and then it helped prepare me for the call as well.
So, two questions.
Right.
You using any particular model of Gemini for the deep research?
I think this was 2.5.
2.5
Yeah.
is well. Did you try it with Claude Research or GPTD?
So I was actually.
Or you have a bias कि GTM के लिए, because lot of people are telling me Gemini does better research of it.
So actually this is the first time I used Gemini for deep research. Otherwise I've been using ChatGPT very extensively and Claude as well. But I wanted to try out the Google Workspace, so it just allows me to use Gemini.
Any comparison data because you used all three of them?
Personally, I feel GPT is better. I have started using this as well. It's just that I like technically I won't be able to tell you, but the output is something like मैं भी resonate कर लेता हूँ उससे कि हाँ भाई सही बोल रहा है.
It is trained according to
Exactly,
your knowledge, it has
exactly.
kind of your way.
Right.
So, second question I had that so you said that you took all of this context back to GPT project.
Yeah. So what I do is now I'll copy this document. I'll build a project
So you are
in
adding the
GPT.
context to it.
I will add this, and मेरे पास कुछ actually I can show you. I have a couple of company documents that I've prepared which I add to any GPT project that I have. Company क्या करती है, company like what we do, what is our industry, the type of customers, what are the features, business development team क्या करती है, मेरी team solutions engineering team क्या करती है, how we help people, what is our USP, all of that is fed into a project. So when I add this on top of it, the GPT project is able to identify कि हाँ भाई फ्लाइट बेस है, अभी हम BD वाला काम कर रहे हैं और उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हुए कि act like a chief business officer, although I'm not a chief business officer. That's the beauty about AI. I can like make it work for me, and like solutions engineering का भी act like a full throttle solution architect. Although मैं नहीं हूँ solution architect, high level मैं करता हूँ obviously, but it helps me learn and it guides me in the right direction. Final call, yes, I take it कि एक human in the loop obviously होना चाहिए, because it is a big enterprise client, you don't want to risk it. So just go through it once, and you can get then like again have that call with the customer. Do you guys use like any basic company knowledge base and add it to your projects? I think that is very helpful. वरना फिर आपका AI like haywire जाएगा हमेशा. So like a set of documents, take some time, invest in it, time invest करो, but वो set of 5 to 10 documents I think you should have, and then you use them or keep adding them to any customer project.
So what am I seeing with my projects? It is solely dependent onto the project contextual data and instructions only.
Right.
It's solely. It is not applying its brains over and beyond in terms of the further research which somebody should do every time. Do you have any hack for that?
So what I've seen is अगर आपका prompt में बहुत strict guide rails है ना, even in the instructions, तो फिर वो एकदम ही मतलब घोड़े की तरह कि यहाँ पे वो डाल दिया तो वो सीधा ही जाएगा.
Company database, it is just referring to that. I mean, if I am managing the GTM, then I certainly go out every third day, fourth day to see what's new happening into our industry.
Right.
So any hack for that?
I think you should add it in your instructions or even the prompt. कि when I tell you to do this, you please think out of the box or something like that. मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार हुआ है कि मैंने प्रॉम्प्ट, ऑल्दो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि मैंने बनाया है, बट जब उसको यूज़ किया आई वॉज क्लियरली एबल टू सी कि वो एकदम ही जो बोला है वही कर रहा है, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स और नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स. सो आई जस्ट मेड सम ट्वीक्स ईदर इन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस और इन द प्रोजेक्ट टू गिव द AI सम लीवे. मैं तो एक ये भी करता हूँ कि मास्टर एक प्रॉम्प्ट डालता हूँ कि इस टाइप का कॉन्वर्सेशन आया तो ये वाला प्रॉम्प्ट यूज़ करना, इस टाइप का आया ये करना. अगर मैं तेरे को बोलूँ कि मेरे को रिसर्च करना है तो रिसर्च वाला प्रॉम्प्ट यूज़ करना. Yes, you can add that in the instructions, and in the project files you can have those different custom prompts.
These are all enterprise or paid versions.
I think we are like,
Space itself comes with some payment associated.
yes, I am not aware about the pricing, but by default Flightbase uses like where Google Workspace uses, so by default it's added for us.
If you don't take the paid version, they limit your uploads of the contextual files. And Claude तो इतना जल्दी exhaust हो जाता है that you have to keep going on to the next plan.
So I use ChatGPT extensively for research, but when the thread becomes too long, starts taking too much time to hallucination is a different thing. But it becomes very slow, gets hung for a long time.
Right.
Especially in browsers.
That happens definitely. So a couple of few things that I have done is या तो उसी चैट से एक नया फ्रेश चैट बना लो, या फिर उसी चैट में यू फिगर्ड आउट कि ओके 50% वर्क डन, टेल इट टू यूज़ द कैनवस. चैट जीपीटी में कैनवस होता है, राइट? आपने, मैं दिखा देता हूँ फटाफट.
I think the issue is more technical there because when I open ChatGPT from somewhere else, I find the response actually has come.
Oh.
It's not able to load it in where I actually asked it. So I use an app and browser in parallel. तो यहाँ नहीं आ रहा तो वहाँ देख लेता हूँ.
तो यूजुअली व्हाट आई डू इज़ हाफ वे आई टेल इट कि अभी तक जो जो किया है, जो जो सीखा है, उसका एक मार्कडाउन फाइल बना दे. मैं वो मार्कडाउन फाइल डाउनलोड कर देता हूँ, उसको प्रोजेक्ट फाइल में डाल देता हूँ. तो वो कॉन्वर्सेशन उधर रुक गया. अभी आप नया चैट भी स्टार्ट करोगे तो वो उसी कॉन्वर्सेशन को रेफर करेगा.
What is Canvas?
Canvas is, let me show you. So basically whatever outputs you get, right, they'll come here on the right side. जैसे Claude में you might have seen, you have an artifact. You can edit in that artifact as well. And then you can download it as a PDF or a markdown file.
So say you can add to the project or add to the,
Yeah.
add to the drive.
In Claude it allows you to do that, in GPT it doesn't. So in GPT you will have to manually download it and then upload it.
So through Canvas you don't have to do that.
Yeah, in GPT Canvas you still have to download. In Claude you are able to directly add to the project, right?
तो ये Canvas क्या करता है?
मैं दिखाता हूँ एक मिनट. जब मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करूँगा, राइट, आई विल शो यू हाउ इट्स डन. एनी क्वेश्चंस, और आई कैन जस्ट क्विकली शो यू अ डेमो फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट विच इज़ अगेन न्यू फीचर प्रोडक्ट टीम ने रिलीज़ किया है, एक नए कस्टमर को दिखाना है, तो उसके डेमो के लिए हाउ कैन आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ, एंड दिस इज अगेन यूजिंग डीप रिसर्च. Okay, so I have just, to save us time, so you can imagine that this is a customer project. इसके फाइल्स में मैं आपको क्विकली शो भी कर देता हूँ क्या है. अभी मैंने आई कुडंट शो यू अ लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर डेटा, सो आई जस्ट मेड अ जेनरिक कस्टमर प्रोफाइल. मास्टर प्रॉम्प्ट है मेरा एक, हाइपोथेसिस जनरेटर, मतलब जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ उसका एक प्रॉम्प्ट है. बाकी ये डिस्कवरी के लिए मेरे प्रॉम्प्ट्स हैं, फ्लाइट बेस का पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, बिजनेस केस के बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस है, चीफ बिजनेस ऑफिसर का एडवाइजरी प्रॉम्प्ट है. ये लाइक द बेसिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट आई टोल्ड यू दैट फॉर योर कंपनी, फॉर योर रोल, यू शुड बिल्ड all of these files and add it to any customer project. So what I'll do is, ये नया रिलीज नोट है, help me discover how this feature could be used by this customer and prepare me for the demo call. So I will go to a release page and let's say, let me pick this feature, AI spot check. I'll view this as a markdown, I'll copy it एंड मैं बस यहाँ पे अभी कैनवस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट मैं डीप रिसर्च इस पर ऑन कर देता हूँ. इन माई ओपिनियन लाइक वो बेसिक, इफ़ यू डोंट एनेबल डीप रिसर्च इट गिव्स यू सम लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट्स बट इट्स नॉट वेरी इन डेप्थ. सो आई प्रेफर कि डीप रिसर्च में यूज़ कर लूँ, एंड देन इट टेक्स अबाउट गुड 10 to 12 minutes, even like 15 minutes at times, but that output is like really solid and it can help you definitely. So right, imagine that again, just to put things in perspective, your product recently rolled out a new feature or a new offering and you have a customer का project, आप बस गए बोला कि ये नया released note है, नया feature है and help me discover how this feature can be used by this customer and prepare me for a demo call. I had a demo call with the customer, so I wrote it. You can write like कि मेरे को एक email draft करके दे दे जो मैं customer को भेज दूँ. CTA could be come on a call so that I can show you the demo or whatever. You can like curate it. Feel free to do that. And like I've written down like release notes हमारे बहुत extensive होते हैं. We put in a lot of effort. Feature क्या है, कौन सी industry में use होता है, तो वो पूरा context वहाँ से भी उठा लेगा. So I'll just start this. It might ask me a couple of follow-up questions. ठीक है. So now it's going to like, it's good that it asked me a couple of follow-up questions, वगरना वो बहुत ही लकीर की फ़कीर टाइप हो जाता है. It will take like 10-12 minutes for this entire thing to finish. And one thing like I really like is I use AI to learn a lot as well. मेरे को बस काम नहीं करना, मेरे को I want to learn through the process. So I keep making notes out of whatever I have learned. Plus if you have ever seen activities में क्या होती है, that like blows your mind. It helps you understand how is AI thinking. Can you draw some parallels? क्योंकि वो पूरा रेफरेंस करके बताता है, पहले मैंने ये चेक किया, फिर मैंने ये चेक किया, फिर मैंने ये चेक किया. अच्छा ये चेक करने के बाद कस्टमर का कॉन्टेक्स्ट लिया तो मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें दिख रही हैं. सो लाइक इट ब्रॉडन्स योर होराइजन एंड पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल. While this is being done, shall we go to the customer simulator? So this is something that we use, like we want to use it for internal team training, but I have started using this for hiring. Basically, again, like you're all GTM people, you know that you need people in the team who have soft skills, who are thinking logically, can think critically. Customer अगर crisis management mode पे है, we've all been at the other end of it. I have a lot of times where they're just pushing you and you know lot of verbal stuff etc is happening, but you still need to maintain your calm, right? मतलब उस टाइम पे आप ये नहीं हो सकते. You in a way, I'll just tell you, you need to be very thick skinned if you're in a customer facing role, especially if you're in customer success or solutions engineering. So this helps you prepare for those conversation. And this is a custom GPT, nothing fancy, बहुत basic है, कोई भी use कर सकता है. It's just that I figured out a different way in which I can use it for hiring. So what I usually do is call पे जाके I tell people this is the link, please share your screen, and then they have a conversation with this GPT. It's like you're having a back and forth conversation with a customer. So it's been trained कि these are the type of customers we have. Drone pilots होते हैं, port security managers होते हैं, and they keep giving you random scenarios. So for my team, the majority things that we work on are like crisis management in case something goes wrong, expansion opportunities हो गए, नया upsell opportunity आया, renewal का discussion करना है, या फिर कोई marketing opportunity आया कि अच्छा this customer is happy, let's have a webinar or a case study with them. So it helps you train on that, and then during the interview I'm able to figure out, is this person able to think from like first principles and logically. I don't expect them to know everything about flight base क्योंकि अभी तो नया ही candidate है, but logically वो सोच पा रहे हैं क्या. So instead of me doing this, would somebody want to volunteer? Okay. So it's like you'll have a back and forth conversation with the customer. You just need to start with write a hi, and then it'll start. Sorry, I'll just hide this.
You have Whisper?
Yes.
I will help. Control will control.
हाँ, option है I think.
Yeah.
हाँ,
Control will.
हाँ, option बटन से चल रहा है.
ठीक. अच्छा, you have.
Right. You just need to start. Okay, मैं डाल देता हूँ hi एक बार. तो ये फर्स्ट सिनेरियो आ गया है.
So, this is one of the scenarios. Now
Yeah.
I need to.
So this is like, imagine this is the message that the customer has sent you or an email. Now you need to reply and then it will reply back. So जो आपने उसको reply किया है उसके basis पे वो आपको reply करेगा. It's like a back and forth conversation.
Option button.
Option.
Hi Sarah, thanks for highlighting the incident. Totally feels that. I didn't know your.
So okay, don't get into the tech, like basic. उससे आप बता सकते हो.
Let's cancel it. Hi Sarah, thanks for highlighting the issue. Could you tell me what is the impact at your end right now, and would an virtual incident management would help you right away?
You'll have to press option again.
I'll get my incident management team to work immediately and let us find the ETA for you to move back to the automated way back. Can you share your slots with me so that I can set up the call? Totally understand your frustration. I'm setting up the call tomorrow morning as per the suggested time. I would not be able to get everyone together at such a short notice. I'll get the incident management team to first look into what is the issue is about, and then I'll get the right people who can solve the issue on your side.
It keeps escalating. Like if, like the idea is, okay, अगर crisis management किसी और ने किया है तो what is it that you feel a customer is expecting in case something goes wrong.
Right. So it will keep escalating. ये तो मतलब वो GMAT simulator जैसा हो गया.
हाँ, तो इसमें I think in your previous response if you would have told him, again assumption है मेरा कि ठीक है मैं लेके आऊँगी टीम को, मैं अभी भी analyze करूँगी and we will make sure that you have a root cause analysis on the call and we'll discuss everything on the call. So that would have like toned down his, and he would have said okay, speak to you tomorrow.
So I think it gave you two options of timing, so you chose the latter.
Yeah, because I wanted to kind of make it more aggressive and see किस level पे जाता है. I mean, of course, if I am a human, I would not do this.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
wanted to see what will happen. You have to, in such escalations, you have to immediately get them away.
And
So this,
probably one thing will help, like whenever we are doing our responses, so ChatGPT should also tell like what would be the better response.
So you can ask it for feedback also. So वो पूरा आपको feedback देगा, what you did well, what you didn't do good, what could you have done better. So after like you've had that conversation, you can ask it for feedback.
Okay. So this is for the customer escalations and all. I think similar things, simulators could be created for the demos too. You can have
Exactly, yes. You can have different like we have similar for expansion also कि नया customer आया, he's like Neil for 2026 this is my plan, how can you help Flightbase, like how can Flightbase help us, so I can like practice my expansion या upsell या renewal के scenarios here as well. Right, so let's see if our deep research is done. Yes, it's done. तो ये पूरा इसने मेरे को बता दिया टारगेट कस्टमर कौन है, की ऑपरेशनल चैलेंजेस एंड एआई स्पॉट चेक हाइपोथेसिस. एंड ऑल्दो रिलीज नोट में कुछ कुछ चीज़ें लिखे थे कि सो ओके आई विल टेल यू दिस फीचर इज लाइक व्हेन द ड्रोन कैप्चर्स एन इमेज वी यूज एआई इन द बैक एंड और कंप्यूटर विजन. दिस वाज द आइडियल पिक्चर एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट यू आर क्लिकिंग राइट नाउ, बट देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स कि बहुत विंड आ जाता है तो कैमरा लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. तो वॉट एवर द इमेज वॉज कैप्चर्ड हेयर, लाइक वी मेक श्योर कि वो रेफरेंस इमेज को ही रेफर करके एग्जैक्ट इमेज कैप्चर करे. बिकॉज दीज आर इंस्पेक्शंस. अगर मेरे को पोल इंस्पेक्ट करना है जो मैं हर हफ्ते करता हूँ या हर दिन करता हूँ, विंड की वजह से वो पोल मिस हो गया तो मैं फिर से फ्लाई करना पड़ेगा मुझे. लेट मी जूम इन. तो ठीक है, इनकन्सिस्टेंट कैमरा फ्रेमिंग है, क्यों हो सकती है एंड व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट यू नीड टू आस्क. हाउ ऑफन डू यू डू पेट्रोल्स, विजुअल इनकन्सिस्टेंसी अक्रॉस इंस्पेक्शंस, ऑडिट गैप्स हो सकते हैं इंस्पेक्शन रिकॉर्ड्स में. अगेन बिकॉज इट्स एबल टू रेफर कि ऑयल एंड गैस इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है. ऑयल एंड गैस इंडस्ट्री में पॉसिबली ये प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. एंड इट्स गिविंग मी अ फुल डेमो स्ट्रैटेजी एज वेल कि पहले बिफोर एंड आफ्टर इम्पैक्ट दिखाओ, स्किप और डी एम्फसाइज अनरिलेटेड और एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स कि क्या क्या नहीं दिखाने की ज़रूरत, गुड अडॉप्शन व्हाट विल लुक लाइक. इट्स गिविंग मी अ वेरी हाई लेवल डेमो स्क्रिप्ट एज वेल दैट आई कैन यूज़. So again, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, I can just go through this, maybe add some of my own stuff. Maybe I feel कि इसमें से ये डालना ज़रूरी नहीं है, इसको हटा देता हूँ, बट फिर वो मैं स्क्रिप्ट टू द टी फॉलो कर सकता हूँ. प्लस अगर कस्टमर कॉल पे कुछ प्लस माइनस होता है देन यू हैव टू अडेप्ट, बट इट हेल्प्स मी प्रिपेयर एंड हैव दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द कस्टमर. एंड क्लोज भी कैसे करना है सब कुछ वो मतलब इट्स टेलिंग मी. So when I did this with the customer, I was like, I went on the call and I told them what we are going to do is I'm going to take 10 minutes to tell you what we know about the problem that you are facing. Based on that, I have 3 hypotheses about them. I would like you to validate or like disapprove or like add to it. And they were like, yes, this is the problem that we have. Yes, this is the problem that we have. Yes, this is partially the problem that we have, but the bigger problem is this. तो अब मुझे पता लग गया कि ये फीचर ये इसलिए यूज़ करेगा. अब मैं डेमो में उसको वही दिखाऊंगा जो वो सुनना चाहता है या उसका प्रॉब्लम जिससे सॉल्व होगा. एनी क्वेश्चन देयर,
Sorry. So
और आर यू एबल टू ड्रॉ पैरेलल्स की.
this you're launching as upsell.
So not necessary upsell. It could be a non-paid feature, basically not an add-on, but still we feel because this is one of like a very good feature that we've brought in and it helps a lot of users. So product adoption be. So maybe like a lot of customers didn't have this and they were not able to explore different use cases. So it just creates more product stickiness. You can do the same for paid features as well. Or a new product offering अगर आपको upsell वाले मोड में लेके जाना है. Are you guys able to draw parallels? Do you feel that this can come in handy?
Definitely, there's a lot of research should be done, but that's where you can better prepare for the call.
कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है नहीं चलेगा, ये तो बहुत बेसिक है.
इसमें थोड़ा सा if I would have been here, I would have said add what my competitors are doing onto the similar.
Right? That's a good idea.
The objection.
I will do that next time I think. Yeah, that's great. I think if you know कि competitors के पास AI spot check है कि नहीं, you can like
And what are the objections which will come?
right. You can definitely do that.
Even you
Sorry?
Is there a timeline for delivery for these features as well?
Right.
Give an estimation about the timeline.
Right. So what I just a couple of other nuggets as well. I'll just show you. Yeah. So this is the main prompt guide that I use, and again this is a podcast that I saw, Lenny's podcast. अगर आप लोग सुनते हो तो उसमें there was one person, Sander, this guy, who explained what prompt engineering is, how an ideal prompt should be, and that person gave like a full prompt guide. So I add all of this to my projects, and then I tell the AI कि इस guide को refer कर और फिर prompt बना. Random prompt में नहीं बनाता, उसको ये बोलता हूँ कि this is what I want, this is the base that you have, merge the two and create a prompt for me. And this has been working really well for me. A couple of other things, since again like we are in the age of AI, hyper personalization आप बहुत कर सकते हो. For every customer I do this कि कौन से key stakeholders है उस customer के, and I have a couple of prompts here. And then what is the motivation of each of these stakeholders? So for example, Atharv is there. Atharv is from a new company or he's a customer. Atharv is one stakeholder. ये IT का बंदा है. आप हो same company but आप drone pilot हो. Both different stakeholders, they have different motivations. They have their what they like, what they don't dislike. दोनों का communication is going to be different. Atharv purely cares about data security. He's blunt. He's not collaborative. You are collaborative. You want to go the extra mile. You feel this is a partnership. For Atharv it is just like हाँ भाई data security है, questionnaire भरो और आगे बढ़ो, मेरे को और कुछ नहीं करना. So उनके लिए hyper personalized emails कैसे बनाओ? तो these prompts will help you create a full map कि this is the company, this is the structure, this is the person that you have, उसका motivation ये है और right. So what does the stakeholder do? What is his responsibility? What is his motivation? And based on that you can say कि okay, refer to the stakeholder map. I want to send an email to Atharv regarding data security. Curate the email as per him. तो वो अथर्व कैसा सोचता है, उसका मोटिवेशन क्या है, वो पूरा कस्टमाइज करके एक ईमेल बना के देता है मेरे को. सो आई विल शेयर दिस गाइड विद यू एज वेल. यू विल हैव टू क्यूरेट इट अ लिटिल बिट फॉर योर कंपनी, बट इट कम्स इन वेरी हैंडी. So for every customer project I have a stakeholder map which I create using this same prompt. So this is the guy. Yeah. So this is the podcast. Actually, we'll share this as well after the session. Yeah, Lenny's podcast. Lenny's में बहुत सारे AI के like people come and they keep sharing a lot of nuggets. Right. Any questions? सोच पा रहे हो कि कैसे हेल्पफुल होगा या हेल्पफुल नहीं होगा? और like I am yours as well. So if you feel we can do it or I can do it in a different way or something like that, I would love to learn from you guys as well.
So when you do the meeting with the customer, do you record it?
Yes.
Do you take it, whatever it is happens on that one and feed it back?
Right.
Do you do it like as a team also, or like if you are using, like whether it is you interact with one only from the third base, or you have a team of 2 or 3 people that interact, and do you review it back? I'm trying to understand how you multiple people will utilize, and then how you decide what might have worked better.
So initially हम क्या कर रहे थे कि बस कस्टमर सक्सेस सॉल्यूशन इंजीनियरिंग टीम का एक जीपीटी था पेड. अभी पूरी बिजनेस टीम लाइक 8-10 people have the same this thing. So you can have one single project. The same project can be used by the account executive or the solutions engineer who's working with that particular account. After every call, I copy and paste the transcript. Like ideally what I would have done is ये डेमो वगैरह होने के बाद, सब कुछ करने के बाद, फॉलो करने के बाद मैं उसको ट्रांसक्रिप्ट डाल देता हूँ वापस कि ये डेमो हुआ, दिस वाज द ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, टेल मी इफ़ यू कैन सी एनी बाइंग सिग्नल्स और अडॉप्शन सिग्नल्स और पॉसिबल रिस्क्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो इट टेल्स मी कि आपने डेमो पे अच्छा किया, नहीं किया, दिस कुड हैव बीन बेटर एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट.
So while happening it, like, do you
Yes. So right now I am copying and pasting it manually, but using Zapier, I think you can send all of those to Claude and then use in Claude Code. And GPT, I don't think they have an integration. Firefly is note taker. If you use, then you can add it directly to your GPT and your Claude also.
So what we do all the summaries of all the calls via Fireflies, and into the paid version you can just connect all the transcripts. But then what started happening, that started picking up all lot of, you have a lot of internal calls and all. So I stopped that, and now only the calls which I need it to analyze. So I have a project which says customer calls and the objections and the new features are being asked.
Nice.
Objections onto the features and the new features which generally customers ask, and then have applied whole of the product management framework to it, and it now tells me that what are the repeated asks. So it's one Excel with some already 109 features, and it highlights the top repeated asks and validates.
That's a very good use case क्योंकि वो I think customer facing teams को कितना feature prioritization etc करना पड़ता है, तो collating it.
Selling first and building later. In my next deck or in my next prototype, I say, okay, ये तो है ही. Now tell me, are you ready to pay? We are a very like a early revenue sort of company, so we use it into that.
But I think analyzing transcripts is very important. Hidden buying signals, hidden churn signals, sentiment. Maybe like I'll take an example here. पूरा हाइपोथेसिस वगैरह सब कुछ किया, बट कस्टमर ने 3-4 और यूज़ केसेस बता दिए जिसके बारे में मैंने नहीं सोचा था. आई कैन यूज़ दोज 3-4 यूज़ केसेस फॉर अ डिफरेंट कस्टमर इन द सेम इंडस्ट्री. सो लाइक आई एम एक्सट्रैक्टिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट आई नीड एंड यूजिंग इट, कि ये नहीं बस ट्रांसक्रिप्ट डाल के बस छोड़ दिया, उसको और मैं 10 जगह यूज़ कर सकता हूँ आगे जाके.
So actually, there is this feature or there is this prompt we can use. Means same problem you had, right? So there are some conversations, some private conversations or something which is not important which goes into calls. Right? So in prompt we mention just focus on the like objective, and then
Right.
any conversation which is not related with that, ignore it.
राइट.
Or whatever the solutions or whether and all those things.
थोड़ा वो स्मॉल टॉक जो होता है कॉल से पहले. नाइस. यस. All right. So this is what I had from my end. I hope this session was valuable for all of you. Any questions, like last minute questions, feedback, or anything?
What are some good sources of learning? I mean, you talked about that podcast. But anything, any such sources you can share with us?
So what I do is what I want to do, I just go and like go to YouTube, search for it, and then I click the recently added वाला tab, and उसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. There I follow a lot of people on LinkedIn also, so that's one thing. ChatGPT has their own academy now, so they give you prompt packs which are free if I'm not wrong, and they have videos specialized for sales, marketing, curated courses, so you can go and start learning from them. Yes, they have an online academy. नहीं, ChatGPT academy separate है. OpenAI academy, sorry. So you can join. They have a lot of. I think it's mostly free. They're not. It's not paid at all.
It is free, yeah.
It's free, right? So Knowledge Hub India. So I'll make sure that I share all of these resources. Like I'll take Aryan's help. Community में ही डाल देंगे, and you can use these documents as is.